Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click. Here you will install your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.